Mom, why did Lisa, our neighbor, get arrested?
Oh, honey, that's a grown-up thing. You wouldn't understand.
But I think our daughter is old enough to know about these things.
She's still too young to understand these dark things, honey.
It's okay, honey. Through this story, we can teach her how to choose her future boyfriend.
All right, honey. I'll tell you why Aunt Lisa was arrested.
Why, Mom?
Because she ended the lives of her ex-husband and his new wife with a gun.
Oh, really? But she's such a kind person. Why would she do that?
Because it was the final straw, honey. Aunt Lisa had been betrayed and emotionally abused for a long time.
Poor her. What happened?
Aunt Lisa and her ex-husband fell in love in high school and got married right after graduation. Her husband wanted to be a doctor, and as you know, it takes a long time to become a doctor. So, Aunt Lisa had to work very hard to support her husband's studies.
Wow, she's a real superhero.
But that wasn't the end of it. They soon had 4 more children, making their lives even more challenging. I remember seeing her once, carrying a baby and selling light bulbs door to door.
Yes, our family bought some too.
So, what happened after that?
Despite working, raising 4 children, and supporting her husband through medical school, she never gave up. She endured this difficult life for a whole decade.
Few people could have done what she did. It's heartbreaking.
Oh, so, what happened next?
Eventually, her sacrifices paid off. Her husband graduated, his career soared, and they moved into a luxurious mansion.
Aunt Lisa must have been on top of the world, right, Mom?
Indeed, she was overjoyed to see her husband become a successful doctor, all thanks to her dedication.
But then what happened?
As time passed, the hardships of life took a toll on Aunt Lisa's appearance, while her husband became more vain.
Oh,
I remember him hiring a personal trainer and even wearing contacts.
Yes, and he began to belittle her, calling her old and unattractive. He even stopped including her in social events.
And then the inevitable happened. Lisa discovered her husband was having an affair with a much younger woman.
really, Dad? He fell in love with someone else?
Yes, dear. He soon filed for divorce, and despite her protests, she couldn't stop him. He quickly married his young mistress.
I feel so sorry for Aunt Lisa, but the story doesn't end there. Her young mistress, now her husband's wife, constantly tormented Lisa. She sent Lisa diet magazines, mocking her appearance. After dedicating her life to her family, Lisa found herself abandoned for a younger woman and lost custody of her children.
It's so unfair. She lost everything.
Driven to the edge by years of resentment, Lisa made a terrible decision. She learned to shoot and took revenge on her betrayers.
Even though what she did was wrong, I still feel for her.
Yes, honey, we all sympathize with her, but she has to face the consequences of her actions.
So can we still visit her?
Of course.
Let's visit her on Christmas. She'll be lonely.
You're so kind. Okay, we'll visit Lisa this Christmas.